What to do if you get robbed on holiday? The first step after realizing you've been robbed is to pause and maintain composure. Evaluate your immediate environment to confirm your safety and ensure you are away from immediate threats. If you are with someone, promptly inform them about the robbery. This ensures they are aware and can assist in the next steps. Remaining calm and informing companions are crucial first actions after a robbery. Report the theft to the local police as soon as possible to initiate an official investigation. Visit the nearest police station to file a detailed report of the incident. Alternatively, contact the local police hotline to report the theft remotely. The police report is essential for processing insurance claims related to the stolen items. The official report serves as a formal record of the theft, documenting the details for legal purposes. Contact the nearest embassy or consulate to report the theft immediately. Reporting the theft is a crucial first step in recovering from the incident. The embassy can assist in replacing a stolen passport, which is essential for international travel. Embassies provide guidance on accessing emergency funds if you're stranded without resources. They can also offer support and advice on other forms of assistance available to citizens abroad. This support ensures that citizens receive necessary help during a difficult situation overseas. Travel insurance policyholders should immediately contact their provider to report any incident. Insurance providers offer immediate support following a reported incident. Travel insurance can cover costs for essential items needed during travel disruptions. Insurance providers can assist in finding financial aid options. Insurers can also help explore alternative solutions for disrupted travel plans. Contact friends and family to inform them of your current situation. Family members may be able to provide financial support. Consider using money transfer services for fund transfers. Services like Western Union. PayPal is another option for receiving funds to cover immediate expenses. Travelers who have lost their money and require lodging should seek out hostels or budget hotels. These establishments may offer discounted rates or specific assistance programs for travelers in need. It is important to clearly explain the situation to the staff. Some hostels or budget hotels might be willing to provide temporary lodging solutions. This assistance is typically offered on a case-by-case basis, depending on the establishment's policies and availability. When waiting for assistance, personal safety should be the top priority. Avoid areas that are poorly lit or generally considered unsafe. Use your phone to strategically plan your next actions. Identify the location of the nearest embassy for potential support. Research available support services in your vicinity. Staying informed and cautious can significantly enhance your safety. Travelers should prepare for unforeseen issues by taking precautionary measures. One key strategy is to carry a small amount of emergency cash separate from the main wallet. It is also advisable to make copies of important documents, such as passport and tickets. Keeping these items separate provides a safety net against theft or loss during travel. So there you have it. If you're ever robbed on holiday, stay calm and follow these steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel hacks. Safe travels, everyone, and take care out there.